Hello lecturers! Welcome back to ODL tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn about how to build up your course page in ODL platform. As a respective lecturer of your course, you will be enrolled as a teacher in your ODL course platform. As a teacher, you have full access to build and facilitate a course and can do almost anything within a course, including adding or changing the activities and grading students. Now let's take a look at the structure of your course page, which is organized into various sections. Focus on section 4, where the first week or topic of your course. The template provided is to assist you in beginning the process of adding your content and materials. To start editing, click on the Turn Editing On button located at the top right corner of your course page. Once you click it, you will see that each block on your course page now displays an edit feature enabling you to make modifications to each block. Let's proceed with editing one of the block provided in the template. To begin edit, click on Edit Setting and now you can edit the content in the block. In this specific block, you have the opportunity to offer some attention-getter messages or pre-test to spark interest before introducing a new topic. This step can encourage students' participation. Now let's create a space for students to respond to this question. To do this, click on the Add an Activity and Resources button, which is situated at the lower right corner at the end of each section. This button provides access to a diverse array of activity and resource options, enabling you to seamlessly integrate desired elements into your content. Choose Forum option for discussion activity. Once you save and display, the forum block will locate it at the end of the section. Regardless of the activity or resources added, the block will appear at the end of the respective section. You have the flexibility to rearrange blocks by using the drag and drop function, allowing you to place them in the desired sections. Now, let's see how we can add new topic. To do this, click on the Add Topics located at the lower right end of the course page. While you can include sections up to week 14, for now, let's focus on adding a single section. Upon doing so, you'll notice a new topic and section appear at the bottom of the course page. As usual, utilize the drag and drop function to position the topic within the desired section. To get the same block into the new section you've just created, you can duplicate a block from a previously made section. Simply click on Edit button and choose Duplicate feature and the same block will be duplicated. After duplicating the block, drag and drop it into the new topic you created earlier. Repeat the same process and edit the content as you desired. Now that you acquired the skills to craft your course page, enjoy the process and wish you the very best. Contact our instructional designer if you need assistance.